Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to install vinyl plank flooring. Vinyl plank flooring is an affordable and durable flooring option that is easy to install, making it a popular choice for many homeowners. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of installing vinyl plank flooring, even if you're a beginner. Step 1. Prepare the subfloor. Before installing vinyl plank flooring, it's essential to prepare the subfloor. The subfloor should be clean, dry, and level. You can also add a layer of underlayment to provide additional cushioning and sound insulation. Measure the room. Measure the length and width of the room to determine how much flooring you'll need. Plan the layout. Start laying the planks from the center of the room, working your way outwards. This will ensure that the planks are evenly spaced and that the edges are straight. Install the first row. Begin installing the first row of vinyl planks by removing the adhesive backing and placing the first plank against the wall. Be sure to leave a 1/4 inch gap between the plank and the wall to allow for expansion. Continue laying the planks, making sure that each plank is snugly connected to the previous one. Install the remaining rows. After completing the first row, continue installing the remaining rows of vinyl planks, making sure to stagger the seams between the planks. Cut the planks to fit around any obstacles, such as doorways or vents, using a utility knife or a vinyl cutter. Finish the installation. Once all of the vinyl planks are installed, trim the excess underlayment along the edges of the room. Install baseboards or shoe molding to cover the expansion gap between the planks and the wall. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your own vinyl plank flooring. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful for you.